Alright guys, I finally got access to my AI receptionist through 𝗬𝗪𝗟. I spent most of the day yesterday getting her trained up. I even live streamed a little bit with y'all with her, and I think she's ready. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna give her a call and we're gonna book a job, and then after we get that job booked, we're just gonna ask her a bunch of random questions about my business and see how she does at answering those questions. And by the way, if you want to get your own free 14-day trial of 𝗬𝗪𝗟, there is a link in the description of this video, and if you choose to purchase at the end of your 14-day free trial, you'll also get 20% off of the first 6 months. But without further ado, let's go ahead and give her a call, book a job, and start asking some random questions.
Hi there, you've reached... Just a heads up, I'm an AI receptionist, and this conversation will be recorded. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, you guys replaced a bathroom faucet for me last year, and I'd like to get my kitchen faucet replaced now. Can you do that?
Absolutely, we can help with that. We offer a service for replacing or installing kitchen faucets. You can either provide your own faucet or use our standard Glacier Bay Market faucet for an additional cost. Would you like to go ahead and book this service?
Yeah, actually, that sounds good. Let's get it booked.
Great, let's get this sorted. First, can I have your first name, please?
Yeah, Ray, R-A-Y.
Thanks, Ray. What's your last name?
𝗬𝗢𝗨, D-U-K-E.
Got it, Ray Duke. Now, can you spell your email for me?
Yeah, it's Bulletproof Handyman Business at gmail.com.
All right, to confirm, that's Bulletproof Handyman Business at gmail.com.
Yeah.
Now, what's your phone number, Ray?
It's
Thanks, that's... Now, what's the street address where the service will take place? Perfect, that's... Now, let's find a time slot for the faucet replacement. I'll check the availability for you. Here's what I found. We've got some slots available for your kitchen faucet replacement. How about January 1st, 2025 at 9:30 a.m.? Does that work for you?
yeah, that's gonna work just fine.
Awesome. Here's a quick recap. We'll replace your kitchen faucet on January 1st, 2025 at 9:30 a.m. at Tucson, Arizona. Your contact details are Bulletproof Handyman Business at gmail.com and phone number 520. Shall I go ahead and book this for you?
Yeah, please do.
I'm just waiting to see that go through. And that's done. You're all set, Ray. Your kitchen faucet replacement is booked for January 1st, 2025 at 9:30 a.m. If there's anything else you need, just let me know. Otherwise, have a great day and goodbye.
Awesome, thank you. All right, now I'm gonna call her back and we're just gonna quiz her on a bunch of the information that I trained her on yesterday to see if she actually has learned my business.
Hi there. You've reached... Just a heads up, I'm an AI receptionist, and this conversation will be recorded. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, do you guys have, weekend business hours?
We sure do. Offers after hours and weekend work, but keep in mind, there's an additional $50 service fee for those times. Anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, I'd like, just one complete list of all of the services that you offer.
Sure thing. Here's the rundown of what can do for you. Doors and windows, plumbing, electrical, appliances, fixtures, cabinets, countertops, carpentry, flooring, masonry, tile, interior wall, and ceiling coverings or finishes. painting, mounting, HVAC, roofing, decks and fencing, landscaping, tree removal, mailboxes, pressure washing, gutter cleaning, holiday lights and decorations, welding and solar, pools, junk hauling, and general labor. Whew, that's quite the list, right? Anything else you need?
Yeah, that is quite the list. Are you licensed and insured for all of that work?
Absolutely. Carries a $1 million policy covering general liability, professional liability, and commercial auto. They have a specialty residential small remodel license for various tasks. However, for major electrical or HVAC work, they might refer you to appropriately licensed subcontractors. Anything else you'd like to know?
Yes, actually. Do you charge by the hour, or do I hire you by the job, or what?
Great question. Most jobs are billed on a per-project basis with a set fee for standard work. For unskilled labor, it's $100 per hour. Specialty skilled trades like plumbing or electrical are priced separately. Anything else I can help with?
Yeah, how do you just handle everything related to payment?
It requires payment due upon completion of the job, before the technician leaves the property. They accept credit card, debit card, ACH transfer, check, or cash. They also offer financing options if needed. Anything else on your mind?
Who supplies the materials, me or you?
Typically supplies all necessary materials for each project at fair market retail pricing. But if you prefer to provide your own materials, you can. Just keep in mind that doing so voids any warranties on parts and labor for those materials. Anything else you'd like to know?
Actually, yeah, I'd just like to know, why should I hire your company instead of some other company?
Well, is a veteran and family-owned business right in the heart of Tucson with a lifetime of experience. They're not just chasing the next dollar, they're redefining what it means to be a handyman business. Plus, they prioritize reliability, professionalism, and exceptional customer service. Sounds like a pretty good deal, right? Anything else I can help with?
Yeah, if I were to book an appointment with you, what do I need to know about the appointment?
For appointments, remember that an adult must be present for all interior work. Make sure the work area is clear of personal items, as the technicians won't move them. And they don't offer appointment reminders, so it's up to you to keep track of the schedule. Anything else you need to know?
No, that's about it, I guess. Thank you for answering all my questions.
You're welcome. If you have more questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
You
Goodbye.
too. Thanks. Well, guys, there she is. That's the new AI receptionist. Now, is she perfect? Absolutely not. I've been testing her a lot. She is not absolutely perfect. However, she is in beta version right now, and she is free right now. I would assume at some point in the future, when she exits the beta phase and becomes an actual feature available to everybody, there's probably going to be some sort of cost that goes along with that. However, if she's able to answer the phone all day long and book all of the jobs, and if my gut feeling is right, which is that in time, probably in 2025, I would imagine, not only will she be able to book jobs, but she'll probably be able to do a lot more like invoicing jobs and helping with estimates and stuff. That's about as valuable, at the very least. That's got to be as valuable as like a $10 an hour person just answering the phones and kind of being a little bit of an assistant. And $10 an hour isn't even much. So $10 an hour, 8 hours a day, that's $80 a day. 5 days a week, that's $400 a week, that's $1,600 a month would be her value. So even if they end up charging $100 a month or $200 a month for her, I feel like she would definitely pay for herself. But either way, she's in beta right now. I'm really enjoying testing her out. I think I'm gonna actually get everything ready and turn her loose on my business. I'm gonna turn her on and actually set some stuff up for her to be answering some phone calls and booking some appointments for me. We'll see what happens as I go forward with that. If you want to test her, you're going to need to be a Jobber customer, or if you want to use her when she's fully ready and deployed, you're going to need to be a Jobber customer as well for that. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. Otherwise, I love you guys. I hope you're out there killing it, and I'll see y'all on the next one.